Hey everybody, this video is to show you guys how I got this blue eyeshadow look. I hope you guys enjoy. So you're gonna take some primer. It's gonna be used as the base for your makeup. I use a green one also because it's supposed to be a tone corrector, but I don't know, I just put it on. Okay, so now we're gonna rub it in to our skin and make sure it's all in. Okay, so now we're gonna start doing our eyebrows. I use the Black Radiance pomade and a spoolie brush that has an angle brush on the end. So you're gonna take the spoolie in and just brush your eyebrows. Make sure they're all laid. And then you take the other end, that's the angle brush side, and put it in the pomade, and we're gonna outline the bottom of our eyebrow. Okay, so now I've done that, and now we're gonna do the top of our eyebrow. Okay, so after we do this top line on our eyebrow, we're gonna start filling it in. So then after this, I'm gonna use my mirror to do the other side since I'm left-handed.
Five hours later.
Okay, so now we're gonna conceal and highlight around our eyebrows. We're gonna use the lighter one for the highlighting and the darker one to blend it in so it look like you don't have a shadow around your eyebrows. So now I've finished going around my eyebrows with both concealers. So now it's time for the blending because you can't leave your eyebrows looking like that. You take a sponge, beauty blender, whatever, and a brush. I don't use the pointy end of a beauty blender. I use the flat end because it like lays on my skin better when blending. I don't know. But now we're blending it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the brush and make sure that the line is pretty straight under my eyebrows and make sure it's blended all the way. Okay, so now we're going to take our HD corrector in orange and we're going to put it under our eyes and any dark spots on our skin. Now we're going to just blend it in. So now we're going to take our eyeshadow and apply the blue to our eyelids. I wouldn't call it a cut crease. It's more just mixing the colors to almost match the color of my hair. Here I'm just applying the lighter blue as a base and leaving the lid. I'm not sure what that part is called, but you know, that part of my eye for the darker blue. Now I take the darker blue and we're gonna put it in the space that was left. Here I just started blending the colors until it got to the color of my hair.
Two hours later.
So now we're going to take the dark blue eyeshadow and put it around the bottom by our waterline. Now we're going to take some white eyeshadow and put it in the corner of our eyes by our tear ducts. Now I'm going to do a wing on both eyes. Now I'm going to apply my foundation using a silicone beauty blender. Now, I don't do any actual contouring, but this is what works for me. I take the lighter concealer and put it across like that. Then I take the darker one and do the little swoop. And a little bit on the sides of my forehead. I don't know, just the way I see people do contouring. Then you just blend it all in. Now I'm going to apply my finishing powders. Now I'm going to take a different brush and just brush off the extra. Now it's time to highlight. I use this one to just mark where the highlight goes. Now I'm going to use my other highlighter and go over where I applied the first one. going to take a brush and just brush over it a little bit so it isn't as hard of a line. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.